Hi everyone, so in today's video we're going to be looking in Twinfield and how you can split your revenue across multiple nominal codes and cost centers from one particular invoice. So I'm going to start by going into the sales option within Twinfield. So you'll be able to get to that using the left-hand navigation and going into sales. Once I'm in here, I can click into my articles. So this is what we're going to use in order to split our revenue across different options. So if I go into my articles, I've already got some set up, but I'm going to create a new one just to show you how it's done. So if I click new here, so this is the information that you're going to have to fill out for your items that you're going to put on your invoice. So first off, you need to give it a code. So for this particular one, I'm just going to call it software 4. And I'm going to give it the name Software Team 4 because this particular company splits its revenue by nominal code and also cost center, which is their teams. So here I can specify the price. You don't have to specify this price. You can override it as well when you come to create your invoice. I am going to specify that it's a sales standard VAT code, and I'm going to give it a price of £80. And then the price including VAT has been calculated for me. Revenue type, I am going to specify that I want this revenue to actually go to code 4001, and cost center, I want it to go to team 4. So I'm just going to create that article now. So I've got a few articles that I can select from when creating my invoice now. So if we go back into sales, invoices, and we will create a new invoice here. So I'm going to just send it to customer 1, and I'm going to start adding lines to my sales invoice. So quantity, I'm just going to put 1 in. Description, this is where you'll select the article that you want to use. So I'm going to select consultancy team 2, and that has populated the price for me. Again, you can overwrite it if you want to. If I add another line, I'm going to select another option, so I'm going to do software team 3, and again it's populated the price for me. And if we just do another line as well, let's do software team 4, and again populated the price. So I'm happy with that invoice now. I've got all my items on there, and I know that my revenue is going to be posted to the correct place. So I'm just going to send that invoice via email. So just to prove that will be posted how I would like it to be posted, I'm just going to pop across into my trial balance for my revenue codes and refresh this. And I'm just going to find the transaction that was created off the back of that sales invoice. So it's going to be this one here, I believe. And if we look at the actual transaction, you can see that the different lines are going to different nominal codes and cost centers depending on what article I selected. So each line is going to the nominal code we specified within that bookkeeping option within each of your articles. So that's how you'll be able to send a single sales invoice, but make sure that your revenue is split across all the nominal codes and cost centers that you need it to be.